Okay, today we're going to look at the Purolator 1 PL24651 oil filter. And you can get this at Advanced Auto Parts for $8.99. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to, you got a little silicone here, filtration. Okay, so I did a video on this very same oil filter back about 2 months ago. And the reason I'm doing another one is because the first one I did, it had glue all over the end caps. And I know some of you use these oil filters, you know, this exact one. And I figured I'd try another one out just to see if they're all like that. Because I've opened up some Purolator ones before, and they were fine. But maybe it was just this specific one, or maybe somebody was having a bad day and so I figured, well, I'm going to try another one in a couple months. So here I am making another video. And I even went to another store to buy it, so in case they had a different inventory. So I'm going to go through all the specs on this. It's good for 10,000 miles. Synthetic motor oils, high mileage synthetics, 99% efficiency, high density synthetic blend media. And I don't know what the filtration number is. For the Boss, it's 99+% at 25 microns. So I'm thinking this is maybe 99% at 25 to 30 microns, maybe. I don't know. I'm just taking a guess. A guess is as good as mine. But let's see what she looks like. Let's see the date code. F09M21B2, and it's made in USA, and it's got a synthetic anti-drain back valve. And this O-ring is supposed to be, I'm gonna see if I can get this, polytetrafluoroethylene. It's got a coating of that on it, or better known as PTFE. But anyways, it's like a reddish color, and but it doesn't fit on very good. I mean, it comes off fairly easy. See that? So when you do oil changes with this one, make sure you got this O-ring off before you put the new filter on. And you got your lubers in there. So I say cut this open and see if it looks anything like this one. Hopefully not. Okay, well, you guys that use this filter will be pleasantly surprised. This one is nice and clean. Here's your base plate. It's a nice heavy base plate. Let me take the weight of this, because I don't know if I weighed them in the last video. I'm going to compare both of these for the fun of it. 6 ounce even. Let's see what the old one is. It should be the same anyway. But yeah, 6 ounces. You know what? I'm going to weigh the whole filter. Here's the old one. .6 ounces. 12.5. It could be off. Just that much is nothing really, because sometimes you just move this thing a little bit and it reads higher or lower. Okay, that's right on. You know, because it's kind of funny. Well, actually, this one's a little less. You know why? It's kind of strange, but here you got your synthetic anti-drain back valve. But one strange thing about this filter is I counted 60 pleats. And here's the seam. And this one here had 62 pleats. I'm going to stretch them both out after, and we'll see if there's any difference in length. But yeah, this one, and it seems like it's missing some too, you know, doesn't it? Kind of seems like it's got a big, they usually do have a space here anyways at the seam, but kind of a big seam. I mean, big space. No, I'm not really fond of these filters too much because there's a lot of lip here. You know what I mean? There's a good like 1/8 of an inch here. It's strange how they make this. You know, see it? I don't know. I guess this is okay though. It's all okay. This one's good. I mean, this one's definitely good. It's a little strange how they make them. You can see how high this is, the space here. You know, like the other one's all cut up, but yeah, it looks good. And you know, you got your stamp leaf spring. It's a pretty good size one. I mean, they got the hole because you got the bypass valve on the bottom. But, you know, the can, I don't know if you guys, I guess I can get some measurements here. Let's see what's going on here. 0.3 average. 2.20 inches. That's right on. Yep. 3.14 inches. 2.58 inches. Okay, let me cut this one open and I'll lay it out and see and compare it with the old one here. Okay, here's both filters laid out. It's over my table. Both even. They're 84 inches long. Long filter media. Okay, as you can see, the pleats line up. I'm all lined up here. And the seams line up. They're both the same length. I counted, I think, 2 extra on this other oil filter was because there was, I think, a seam right here and right here. You could see it right next to the seam. So that's why I had 62 on this one and 60 on that one. So they're both, you know, they're both the same length, same filter media, everything. And these here, you can see it. This one's a lot cleaner. Nice and clean. Compared to this dirty mess. So, it was just a fluke. This was probably made on a Monday or a Friday. I don't know. Yeah. You get the bypass valve. But it works nice. Yeah. Hey, so I think I'll just wrap up this video. The filters are fine. There was just this one was messy. I don't know why. Guess as good as mine. Hey, don't forget Oil Filter Fridays. Every Friday I cut open a new automotive oil filter on this YouTube channel. So if you liked the video, please hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to see future videos. Thanks for watching, and take care.